then sweep the upstairs levels before finishing in the basement. All set? Oh, man. Like, don't tell me it's your first day on the job.
Oh no!
We should have known the agency would send over a noob. Guess we'll have to show you the ropes.
These are the ropes.
Those are the ropes. Tie down this big tent we're gonna drape over the building before we fog. Did you bring a ladder? Ladder?
Ladder.
Oh, all right. You got your ladder, you got your tent, you got your ropes, you got your sprayer. You got any questions? No? You got this. Like, we'll just have you sign for the equipment rental here.
Rent here. Initial here. Say cheese.
Your fully laminated photo badge will be mailed within 24 hours of receipt of your completed benefits enrollment package. Congratulations, you're officially a pest control professional. Welcome to the life, and remember,
No prisoners.
No mercy!
the only good bug is a what?
That's right.
Like, you're doing great. Keep it up.
It worked!
We did it.
Like, way to go, team. You said it.
Indeed.
Like, shouldn't you be exterminating some pests?
He is.